Hello बच्चों, let's see the question. The question says the equation that describes mathematically the dependence of rate of reaction on the concentration terms of reactants is dash or dash. तो इस क्वेश्चन में हमसे पूछा जा रहा है कि आप उस इक्वेशन का नाम बताइए जिसमें डिपेंडेंस ऑफ रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन ऑन द कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ रिएक्टेंट्स को एक्सप्रेस किया गया है मैथमेटिकली. Okay, so the key thing in this question is we should know the dependence of rate of reaction on the concentration of reactants. So let me tell you कि जो rate होती है, rate of reaction is directly proportional to the concentration of reactants. Okay, let's suppose हमारे पास एक general reaction है where AA plus BB, these are the reactants, they combine और यहाँ में products मिलते हैं CC plus DD. Okay, यहाँ lower case ABCD they represent the stoichiometric coefficients. Okay, and AB इसमें they are reactants, C and D are products. अगर हम इस reaction की बात करें, in this particular reaction the rate will depend on is directly proportional to the molar concentration of A multiplied by the molar concentration of B, means the product of concentration of the reactants. Okay, and it will be raised to some power. Let's suppose that is X and Y. Okay, ये X और Y जो है, X is the order of reaction with respect to A and Y is order of reaction with respect to B. Or we can also write this as rate will be equal to constant of proportionality को हटा के हम यहाँ इक्वेट करेंगे और यहाँ पे कांस्टेंट आएगा. ओके, दिस इज कॉल्ड एज रेट कांस्टेंट. रेस्ट सारी टर्म्स हम इसी तरह से लिखेंगे. सो दिस इज बेसिकली द मैथमेटिकल इक्वेशन जो हमें डिपेंडेंस ऑफ रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन बताता है ऑन द concentration of the terms of the reactants. And guys, इसी का नाम है rate equation or rate law. Okay, so the equation that describes mathematically the dependence of rate of reaction on the concentration terms of reactants is called as a rate equation or rate law. Hope you understand well. Best of luck.